Got up in the air. Five, six, seven, rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, stomp and hold, rock, and jump off. Turn back to your left, rock and back, rock. Step and point, kick more change, give it to me. Step on, right, left, take it back. Rock and back, full turn, rock forward, on right, left, rocking chair, rock, go behind. Here we go, rock it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and hold and rock. Take it back, ready and half. Rock and back. Step and point. Alright, open the kickboard change. Restart now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn to me and stop. Right, ready and a jab. Turn it back, right, left. Step and point. Kickboard change. 6 step. Right, behind, in front. Sweep it back. When you do your full turn, restart now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. Right. Rock, jazz off. Turn it back. Left, right. Step and point. Kickboard change. Pivot. Big step. Right. Behind, in front. Take it back. Rock back. Full turn. Rock forward. Right. Left, right. Rocking chair. Go behind. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. Right. Jazz box. Turn to your left. Rock back. Step and point. Kickboard change. Round to the side. Take it back. Rock forward. And again. Rocking chair. Behind. Here comes the tag. Big arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snap. Pivot, go. You got it. Step and hold. Right and rock. Turn it back. Left and left. Step and point. Kickboard change and pivot. Big step. Right, left. Take it back. Rock forward. Right, left. Rocking chair. Behind. One more time. Here we go. Rock forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. No. Step. Jump. Rock back. Step and point. Kickboard. Big step to the right, behind, in front, take it back, rock, full turn, rock forward, right, left, rocking chair, behind, pivot and stomp, ready, up, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, step, hold, and jazz box to the corner, turn it back, half turn, rock, full turn, step, point, kickboard change, turn to a knee, step side, behind, cross in front, take it back and sweep, rock back, and a full turn, rock forward, right, left, rocking chair, forward and side, behind, and pivot, start again, rock side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, stomp and hold, right, and rock, jazz to the corner, turn back to your left, left, step and point, kickboard change, turn to the back, big step to the right, side, behind, in front, take it back and sweep, rock back, full turn, rock forward, half turn, rock quarter turn, rocking chair, forward and side, behind, pivot around, ready, go, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, step, hold, and rock, jazz back, turn back to your left, hold, back, rock, hold, step and point, kick for change, turn to me, big step. Right, left, take it back and sweep. Rock back, full turn, rock forward, on right. Left, rocking chair. Forward and back, behind, to the back, one more time, go.